What makes this video different from all the other Make a Dropshipping Store video on YouTube is that it is cost effective. In this video, I will show you how to get a dropshipping store with the less possible dollar but with the best possible value. And not just this video, I'm gonna give you all the things which you will require, all the documents which will give you the Facebook ad strategy, the copy and paste templates. And we will not be using AliExpress and Overload to create this store. We will be using cjdropshipping.com. If you don't know what cjdropshipping is, it is an agent, and just like AliExpress, it is a website and you can add the product from it to your store, and also you can fulfill the order through cjdropshipping. And they ship faster than AliExpress. They have a much better customer service. The price tends to be lower than AliExpress, and you can fulfill the order just with the click of a button without having to fulfill it one by one. And even if you don't know how to use cjdropshipping.com, I will link all the tutorials down below. So about a year ago, I made a tutorial on how to get a Shopify dropshipping store for $0. Yes, that video is still relevant today, but unfortunately some of the features are not, because Shopify have updated their policy, which means you cannot get an order unless you select a plan. I'm gonna do something similar in this video and show you how to get a Shopify store without the 14-day trial limit. So how will this help you if you don't have the trial limit? If you are slow to set up the store, this can help you out, or if you are planning to just play around and learn things, this will help you out, because you don't need to pay any Shopify plan or any fees until you want to make a sale. And when you are totally ready, you can pay the $29 a month Shopify fee and you can launch your store. Until then, there is no need, you don't need to pay anything. But the major update is with the theme I use. In the past, I used the Shopify basic theme Debut, but this time we will use Debutify. Debutify is a free theme, but it has more features than Debut. The free version of Debutify is more than good enough, but I will also show you some bad features of Debutify which will level up your store and help you get a better conversion rate and better average order value. Also, one of the main changes which I did is that in the past I used to make one product store, but now I focus on general store. Especially if you are a beginner, you should use a general store. You may ask why? Because in a one product store or a niche store, you are limited to test some particular products, and when the product you are trying to test doesn't work out, you will have to redesign the whole store, make a new logo, make a new homepage. But in a general store, you can simply add the product and test it out. And you may ask, doesn't general store have a lower conversion rate? From my experience, it doesn't, and I know a lot of successful dropshippers who are still running general store to this day. And what you can do with your general store is that you can test as many products as you want, and when you get a winning product, you can transform the store into a niche of the winning product. So let's take an example. You are selling a bunch of products, and let's say the first winning product you have is a dog product. Then you can transform your store into a dog store. You can create a new logo, and then you can redesign the homepage to look like a store selling dog products. So start with a general store, and then you can convert it into the niche of the winning product you have. Like I said, the video I made a year ago is still relevant. I'm gonna put the video link in the description below, and what you have to do is you have to watch that video after watching this video. And in the description of that particular video, I'm gonna put timestamp of all the parts which are still relevant. So watch this video and you have to go and watch that other video, and you will have this complete knowledge about dropshipping and how to start a store and all those things. And like I said, I'm going to give you all the documents which you require to run Facebook ads, the strategy, the copy and paste templates. So let's begin. Okay, so guys, the first thing you want to do is, if you go to shopify.com, they will charge you a fee. So the first thing you want to do is to create a Shopify developer account. That way we don't get the 14-day limit. So to do that, you go to developer.shopify.com. Okay, so after you go to developer.shopify.com, what you want to do is you want to go on to this sign up. I'm not gonna do that because I have already did that, so I'll show you what happens after you sign up for Shopify developer account. Okay, so after you sign up for the Shopify developer account, you will see something like this. And here in stores, you can see I have a bunch of stores because I'm running some right now. But for you, if it's a new account, you will see no stores. So for that reason, you will want to create a new store by clicking on Add Store right here. So you want to click on Add Store. After you click on Add Store, what you want to do is you want to click on a development store, and here you have to fill in the store name, whatever store name you want. It's not necessary, you can change it anytime later. The store URL, it will automatically be created when you create the store name. You want to create your login password and all these things. And then what you want to do is you want to create the store address if you live in the United States, and so on. And lastly, you want to say build a new store for client. Okay, you can do all this just by yourself, so I'm just gonna skip this part. So I just added all my thing. So and then you just can click on enter my store. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the description of this video, and there you will see something called theme. So you want to click on the link, and then after you click on the link you will see something like this, and this is a theme. This is Debutify, and this is the theme I was talking about. So you can click on free download, enter your name and enter your email, and you can click on free download. Okay, so after you click on free download, it will ask for your store name.shopify.com. What you want to do is you want to copy the URL of the store you just created, whatever it is, and you want to paste it right there, and you just want to click on free download now. After you click on that, it will take you back to your store, just like installing an app. So here you can see install unlisted app. You want to click on this one, so you see the Debutify dashboard right here, and what you want to do is you want to download the theme. So click on this download theme right here, and after you do that, what you want to do is click on add to theme library. Okay, sure. After you added Debutify to your theme library, you can go back to your Shopify and then go to online store. So after you go into online store themes, what you will see is here Debutify 3.0.2, and what you want to do is you want to publish this one. Click on publish, boom, and it's published, and it's now right here Debutify 3.0.2. and what you can do is you can click on customize, and now I will show you how to design the homepage of your website. And we will customize everything from A to Z, and I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, I like to change the color. I like to keep it either blue or green or orange for a general store. So what you can do is go to theme settings, and you can go to colors, and whatever this is, you can change this to something around, something like blue. Yep, something like this. Okay, so you got that, and then text. Okay, that's great, the buttons, you can change it to the color we just create. Okay, so we change the color to blue, and our primary color will be this white as the background, the black and the blue. So we will play in this way. This way it looks a lot more branded and it looks a lot better. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is when you design the store, make sure it is in mobile view, because most of the people will be viewing it from mobile. That's something you have to know. Okay, so this way you can design it and know how it will look like from mobile, because 80% of the customer or the visitors will be from mobile. Okay, so here what you do is you go to this theme settings, and what you can do is go to advanced settings, enable sticky header. Okay, you can keep that, enable sticky announcement bar. Okay, you can okay, so where you change that is collection grid, so products count. You can remove this one, and okay, back to top. I want to make this one to the right, and it is this button. You want to shift it to right, and okay, so that's it here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to change this header right here, which is the announcement bar, and to do that you can go to announcement, and then here the message part, you can change this to something like any questions, we are here to help. That's the first thing you want to change, and you want to click on save. The next thing you want to do is create a banner right here, and to do that you can do is click on this add section, and then we will add a slideshow. Okay, so I'm just gonna come down and click on slideshow and select. Okay, so here's the slideshow. What we can do is add slide, and you can select image, and you can select this GIF. By the way, you can just browse through a lot of free images right here, whatever you want, or maybe you can upload an image you have, but let's just go with this one, this GIF. I'm gonna click on select, and the image position, center, mobile. I'm gonna go middle right. Oh, sorry, middle left. Okay, I want to go middle left. Okay, that way. So So the image is gone. So what I want to do is the section height of mobile, I want to keep it medium, that way you can see the GIF right here. Section height of desktop, I want to keep it medium as well. And once I go in here, change this slideshow into something else. Do shop name, whatever shop name you have, and then here you want it to, this is what you want, and the text position you want it the bottom, and text position you want it bottom, and text alignment, let's just say text alignment you want it to left. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. Okay, so you can have it shop now, and you can link it to all products, and here you can say, instead of learn more, you can say about us. Okay, and then you have to link this one to the about us page instead of all products, so you can just delete that and you can link to pages, and you have to select about us, which is not available right now because we haven't created it, but once you create it, it will be available. Okay, so after you do that, the next thing you want to do is you want to add a product right below this, and that should be the product which you are currently selling. So what you can do is click on add section, and then you can click on featured product, select, so you can have the product here. You just want to select product, and let's say this is the product which you are selling right now, Meowie Bowl. So you select that, and boom, and that's it. And you can uncheck this show product type, so, and then you can show product text, you can unselect that. Show product collection, you can unselect that, and yeah, there you have it. After this one, what we want to do is add a collection list. So you want to do is collection list and select, and what you want to do is you want to click on select collection, baby, let's say select. That's the first collection. The second collection you just can do beauty, you can just select that as well. And the third collection, so see how cool it looks now. You can see just like that. Okay, so this is how our store looks so far, and after this what we want to add is another slideshow, and there we will put some elements which will boost the trust of our customer. Okay, so what we want to do is click on slideshow, and you want to select that, add slide, I want to select an image. You can just search, but I'm gonna just use this one, okay, which I already used before, that's why it's right here, but you can create your own. And like we did before, I'm just gonna make this section medium both in desktop and in mobile. Okay, so it looks like this, and we're gonna put some text and just say here shop with confidence. Okay, so and then I'm gonna add one more, that is one more slide, and there I'm gonna add this image right here, select, we will help you out, something like that. Okay, okay, and what you want to do is here you want to remove one of the buttons. Okay, the button label learn more, you can remove that, and this one, instead of shop now, what you can do is say contact us, and then instead of linking it to all products, you have to link this to your pages and select contact us page, which is right now not here, but once you create the page it will be there and you can select it. And then for this one, shop with confidence, what we can do right here is okay, you can do shop now all products, and then learn more, instead of learn more you can do about us and link it to the about us page, like the one which is right here. Okay, so we got it right there. Okay, after this what you can do is you can click on add section, and then you can click on testimonials. So where's testimonials, so you can click on testimonials and select, and here what you want to do is you want to type some good things like your customer reviews. Okay, amazing, and then what you want to do is the author's name, you want to say just let me just put in my name. Okay, by the way, don't forget to check this section which says show section, otherwise it's not gonna show. So here you can see testimonials. Okay, so after this we have this guarantee section, and what you want to do in this guarantee section is that it's here, so you can select the guarantee section. And the first thing you want to do, so instead of the icon loyalty, what you want to do is type in refresh, and that way will show you this refresh icon right there. And then the text you can say is that 7-day money back guarantee. You got it? And then what you can say here is that you happy. It's something I just make up, but if you have something better to write, you can write it in your own words. Okay, so you got a point what I mean. And then the next thing you can do is instead of the icon loyalty, what you can do is the word support underscore agent. That way it will show this one. And then here you can say 24/7 support. Okay, and what you can write is something like 4 hours. And the next one, you just can keep this icon loyalty, and what you can do is say best deals, time to time, something like that. Okay, and you will need to add one more guarantee, and here, and then here you can change the loyalty to emotions. That way it will show this happy icon, and you can say something like 98.7% satisfaction rate. Okay, with their purchase. Okay, something like this, and now you have it right there. So this is how our store looks like so far. Okay, then now we have set this up so far, and what you can do is you can play on the footer. So what to do is you go to footer right here, and then the about us, which is right here, says store details and stuff. Okay, show the about us. You can say something like this one, about us, store name, am set providing this, and all these files, which will be the copy and paste template. I'm gonna link it down in the description, which you can check it out. And in that file there will be one file by the name product paste template, and in that file you can see that we have our guarantee section, and then you can copy the same thing and add it right there in the about us section. And then okay, show powered by Shopify, you want to remove that. Okay, so here we will remove. So you said theme by Debutify, you can remove that. Okay, show the quick links when you change the menu in the navigation, which you have to go to online store and click on navigation to create a menu, and when you add that menu it will change. Okay, so you can just do that and change the menu, or you can add a new menu. Okay, so subscribe to our newsletter. What you can do is this part you just can remove it just like that. Okay, so here it says ransonofficial.com, and the phone number is right here. So if you want to change that, you have to change it from your Shopify dashboard. So here what you want to do is go to settings, and after you go to settings you want to go to general. Okay, so after you have go to general settings, you will have something like this, and here you can change the phone number right here where it says phone, you can see here, and then the store contact email you can send right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put for now support@sample.com, but whatever your store name is, it has to be support@yourstorename.com. So if we put in support@sample.com and sender at support@sample.com, and then you go to Debutify and load the page again, it will change to support@sample.com. Okay guys, so we are pretty much done with our homepage. What you want to do is this one. Okay, so it says follow us on social media, and it shows nothing. Okay, to have something on there, what you want to go is team settings, and then you can go to social media and you can add your pages in here. So Facebook, let's just say www, and whatever your Facebook page linked is, and then you have to link your Twitter if you want to link it, Pinterest if you want to link it, Instagram if you want to link it. So add your links here. You can even add your WhatsApp, which I recommend is the WhatsApp. Okay, so you can add your WhatsApp and Telegram and stuff like that, and then we'll show right here. And then now our store looks like this. Okay, you can save it. Okay, one thing which you should definitely do is make a logo and send this one. Okay, so the Debutify at Ranson, this is just the store name, so you have to definitely create the logo and add it. Okay, so where you want to add the logo is you can go to this header, and then here you can add the logo. Okay, here's the logo. Then you can select your logo image, and then you can select a different image for your mobile, but I would just recommend you to add the same for all this. So just select a logo and make sure that you have the logo right here instead of the store name. And also you can select favicon. Okay, you can go to theme settings and favicon and add an image. So if you don't know what favicon is, it is the icon which is we see right here. Okay, so here we can see the Shopify icon, and this is called favicon. And for a store which I created, here you can see the icon right here. It's quite small, but still this is what we call favicon. For the Google Drive, you can see this is what we call favicon. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your theme settings, and then you can go to cart and then remove these order notes. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And then what you can do next is go to this checkout. Okay, checkout, and you can select your logo right here. Okay, you can see the logo, you can add the same logo. It's the same thing, don't select other images. And what you can do is the Asians and whatever stuff you want to change it into the theme color of your website. Okay, I'm just gonna select that. For euros, let's just keep it red. And this is how a general store will look like. And it doesn't matter how the home page looks like, because that's not what will make you the sale. It's just as long as it looks okay, it's more than okay. So what you are seeing here is more than okay, but if you want to make it more fancy, you can add more sections, like whatever section you want, you can add it to make it look more fancy. But I'm just gonna say it's more than enough, and it's up to you. So what's important is the product page. So let's just go to this product page, and let me show you how you can make the product page even better. And for the product page, the most important part is the product description, which is right here. Okay, you have to make sure that the product description is not very long, it's short, but it still describes the product and answers whatever the question your customer or viewer has in their mind. Okay, so to write an engaging product description, we already have the rules, and that rules you can find it in the LinkedIn description. In our guide file, you can find a docs file which is called the product page template, and in that product page template we show you the rules to write an engaging product description. And what you have to do is write it. And to write the product description, you don't have to write it from this customizing part. What you have to do is you have to go to your Shopify dashboard, and in the product section you have to select the particular product, and here in the description you have to write the product description right here. Okay, so after you put that product description, you can see it on your store, but I'm gonna show you right now the cool features, the pet features of Debutify, which can help you get more sale. Okay, so if you are using the free version of Debutify, you will not get many cool features, but I recommend you to at least sign up for the basic feature of Debutify. That way you will get a lot of cool features. So go to this theme setting, and you can see here it says Debutify add-ons, and if you go with the basic feature, you can select up to 5 different features, and the features which I recommend are, so the first thing is called the quantity break. It is right here, the quantity breaks, and what you can do is click on add quantity breaks to you can say by 10%, something like that, and you can do percentage and click on amount is 10. Okay, and then that's the first quantity break. The second quantity break, you can do 3, and here you can type in name 15%. Okay, and the amount type you can do in 15. Okay, so after you create the quantity breaks, you can see it in the product page right here. Buy 1, this one, buy 2, buy 3, and you can see it's saying SEP 10%, SEP 15%. This can help you get more sales. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to this upsell bundle. Okay, so the upsell bundle, okay, so it is here, upsell bundle, and what you want to do is add a specific product. Okay, so the trigger product is whatever product you want. Okay, so let's just say choose this one. Okay, so let's just select this one, Meowie Ball. We got to select that, and the product offer is which product you want to promote this product with. Okay, so this product, which we call the Meowie Ball, we have to promote it. We can promote it with anyone, let's say Bumpty. Okay, we can select it. So you can see the Miyabi ball, it is right here, and if you scroll down, and you can see that we can have bought and save some money, right? Okay guys, so the next thing I'm gonna show you is this cart upsell. Okay, so here what you want to do is you want to click on add content, and then you can click on cart item upsell. Okay, so add as a new item. So the product trigger, you can just click on this one. Okay, let's just select that, and the same thing, the product offer, whatever the one you want to select, you want to promote it with. Okay, so once you select that, what you can see is that okay, let's just add this to cart so that I can show you what it means. So if you add this to cart, okay, so here in the cart page you can see when you add this product to cart, it automatically shows you this one. Okay, you can see right there, and here also it shows you something, add one more to unlock 10% off, and that is the quantity breaks we created. Buy 2 10% off, buy 3 15% off. So if let's say we add one more, okay, this gonna be 2, and then it says add one more item to unlock 15%. Okay, so this is how the cart upsell look like. And then lastly, you can go to this product pages tab right here, and then you can remove this. So product type, so product text, so product collection, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you want to upgrade and if you want to make your store look even better, you can choose the standard plan for the Debutify, which comes at around $25 $23 a month, and with that you can even make your store even better. That is it guys, that is how you create a high converting Shopify dropshipping store by using the theme Debutify and with its features.